Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out seat availability on the Indian Railway application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, go to your home page, and after that tap on the seat availability button on the right side in the middle, and after that you should search for a train by typing in its name or number. After that, select the source and destination. Then you should select the class, the date and the ticket. After that, tap on check availability, and if there's any seat available or the train is valid, then you will be able to check out whether there's any seat available. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.